Kublai pi baro, ngip liang so pai pi syakani katup kubor mataka janmit. Shwa bangin sedang tunganya pai syikimat bakongsan. Kiyo kibakot nakajingpang COVID-19, syaka nyopu pra poin riu saw nakashispa. Rakhe ka BJP jong ka jilla Meghalaya ya ka snika bah nyopo jong umintri rang ba adu kari da ka ba penlong ya ki program ba pher. Batla sya eki skol ban a ya kajing hikai na kabenta ki khana skol ki ba puli haki kelas ki ba khandai hado khat ar nadu ar phuai tarik hado laipo tarik mata ubnai la pentep umentri katanat puli puthi ki khubor ki ba bania la pentep ba ka sarkar ki ba kot na ukhnang jingpang COVID-19 hakani ka sngi kari kala kieu syaka nyopu pra pon henriu saw na ka shispa ka kenhon mentri jong ka kot ka khia kala ong ba baro ki bla kot na uni ukhnang jingpang kala poi syaka saw pho pon arpusan lak ngut ka jingdan jong ki bapang baro hakani kari kala poi syaka shipholak khandai hajar ngut ka kenhon mentri kala ongru ba ka jing tray kam habaro ki jaka test kala long ka ba job ha ka ba kala don ka jing kieu ki ba kot na uni ukhnang jingpang bat baduna ki ba yap ka jingdan jong ki bla yap na uni ukhnang jingpang ka kari India kalong iway point real line na ka shispa ka baduna habayanu jor na ki ri baro. Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ula jam syaka karta ke bah nyopo mentah kasngi kum kadak hakani kasngi kaseng BJP jong ka jilla Meghalaya kala penlong ya ka jing pen khuat snong bat ya ka jing thong ding Menteri rang badu kari ujukentu ya baro ki para ri ban rakhe ya kasngi kha jong u da ka ba penlong ya ka jing tray kam sngoba ka ban wanra ya ka jing mento ya ki para brio baro kum ka jing thmu jong ka BJP jong kani ka jilla ban penlong ya ka Shillong ka ba khuat bat ka ba jerngam lasdang ya ka step ha ka ba kinong yalam jong ka BJP bat kinong tray kilas dang ya ka jing tray sngoba jong ki kum kadak ban yada ya ka Mariam.
Prime Minister bagi kami magde kami ga buram man kemal ka nature ni thung gidien ni sampling ni pogasling mangi penkur kini ki area ki ba hayo hahan amar ba ini peki bau Prime Minister jami wa kwa ka jing phut ka jing bahai ka ri snong बरकवई
जी का 70वां जन्म दिवस है। हम उसी के लिए उनके लंबे जीवन की कामनाएं करते हुए ये पौधे की लगाएं।
In occasions of our celebration, we are doing the tree plantations here in Gorfling, along with our respected president of the state president of BJP and all the BJP Karyakata and workers. We are here to celebrate the 70th birthday of our beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji.
Ka Meghalaya State BJP unit mentaka sngi rengkat bat kinong tray kila rakhe ya ka sngi kha jong menteri rang ba adu kari Narendra Modi da ka ba penlong ya ki program ba pher bat la penkut da ka jing ot ya ukiek ha office tray kam jong ka seng ha ka jing ai jing kren menteri katanat ka kot ka khia iba al hek ila pen kamau ya ki paj ba halor ka jing la tray kam jong ka seng BJP bala yalam da ka sarkar NDA hakari hakini ki prabanai bala dep bat lengba ka Jal Shakti mission ka pentikna ba baro ki long yang kidai ban yo ya ka umbam umdi bapaka ila kedauru ya ka jingmang pisa bakerpang halor ki projek ban shna yeng na kabenta ki long yeng ki baduk ka balong arpusan hajar klur tengka iba hek ila ai khublei ru ya menteri rang ba du kari ubala wanra shibon ki jingkala ha ka imlang sa lang.
One thing which have been we have many things to go ahead and I hope country. Okay, so we celebrate the 70th birthday of the There's been a lot of other development like PMGSY scheme. Of course, this scheme, it was introduced by our late beloved Prime Minister Bajpayee ji, but it has continued till today. The construction of roads and development of roads everywhere in the entire country. Today, if you see in Meghalaya, all the beautiful roads, the national highway, if you are talking about the 2-laning, you are talking about the 4-laning, or you are talking about other roads in our country, 8-laning, 12-lanings. It is the missions and the visions of our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. He had followed the footsteps of our late Prime Minister, Vajpayee ji.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih jong ke jela iba lakmen remboi mentakasngi ila pentip baka UGC kala pediang yaki tarik belabu deka sorkar jela nak benta ban pendep yaki eksamen final haka jela ila ongru baka nehu kan penlong yaki eksamen haka nyau khandai khat ar khat sau bat khat riu tarik jo bana risau bat yaki result on penbena haka tayo bakat do jong risau habia day bat ka jingple no yaki school iba lakmen ila ong balasha yaki school ban ai yaki jing hikai nak benta ki khna school ki pulih hagi kelas ki bakhandai shipau khatway bat khatar nadu arpaway tarik hadu laipau tarik mata ubenai bat banyak kendo yaki nak benta ki jingdan kam ba pher ila penshai ru balada ki khana ki kwa ban shim yakani galat ki dei banyak keren bha bat laki kimi ki kpa ila benrap baka sorkar kan ompat penlong yaki school tat hadu bakanda yo yaki jingpen bena bat jingpatha nak tenat ki kampo yeng ka sorkar pedeng
given that all institution will be closed till the 30th of September. But this 21st till the 30th is only, from the 21st is only a partial opening of the school so that to enable the class 9, 10, 11 and 12 to meet the teachers to seek clarification or anything which they need at schools. So as and when the Ministry of Home Affairs issued the notification allowed to resume the number class, so we also from the state government, we will duly issued the necessary date of opening of the school of normal class, as I say.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih jong ke jela iba lakmen remboi mentakasngi ila pelat patba yaka webinar belai kerteng ka Continuing Professional Development for Teachers ha Secretariat yakane ka webinar lapen ya dak Sankardev College haba ai jingkren haka jingyalang iba lakmen ila ong baki nong hikai bat ki khana pulih ki dei ban penbelian yalade ban pentebet shu haka ban pendan kam yaki kor ki board jong ka juk menta principal jong ka college ula banjur halor ka jingdan kam ban ai jing hikai bapaka nakabenta ki khana puli watlada ka jing ai jing hikai kala sha penthut no nakaklam COVID-19.
Even in the school education, the government of Meghalaya have come up with the training program for the teachers, how to teach the student, how to reach out the student through this virtual platform. I'm very happy. Many of the teachers in the secondary section or high secondary section, they have used this platform to reach to their student.
Ka portion ma ka long ka badan kam kham tam hakani ka por jong ka klam COVID-19 ka bakin thop ya ka jing don kam jong ka hakaban rat ding khong ya ka jing duna bam hakithan jong kandong lapen long ya ka program ai jing hikai jong ka portion ma da ka krishi vigyan kendra bat ka ICAR research complex jong ka district ribhoy mata ka sngi ya ki nong trai anganwadi jong ka district la ai jing hikai halor ka kwat ka khia jong ki kenthe bat ya ki jing bam teimet ya ki khalung Haba ajingkran bat ka DD News iba Merrill Bonds ibade MLA jong kanong po constituency la ay kublay ya ka KVK kabala penlong ya ka posyan ma sensitization program ila ongro ba kan kan ajing erap shibuan na kabanta kilong yeng long sem kibaduna hakayo kakot bat hakalyang bantiet ya kabam kadi
and we are here to meet the Anganwadi worker from Umlingsi and RD block to give a helping hand from the ICAR to different kind of seeds so that they can plant in their kitchen garden within and around the Anganwadi center in the villages. And it is really a great help for the people, for the farmers. The Krishi Kendra Abhiyan, which has been in the forefront in leading to help the farmer in our district and in different C and RD blocks.
Katba ikong Eliza Sis Emle ibade istat wat benya bat ihe jong ka KVK ka Ribhoy district ila ong balade bansam ya katto katni kisimbay banthung hakijaka khnang banyo pendap ya kabam na kabenta ki khna red ila benrap baka posyan vertical ani ka kper kanyarap ban penkelai ka kot ya khya jong baro
Kani ka jing rakhe ka bashi benai lenter ka poshan ma ka long ban pen scam ya ka thong jong ka jing pen byang ya ki jing bam te met ha kari pat ban pen lat ya kari India na ka jing tuna ka jing yo ya ka bam hashwa usnem arajar al phosan.
The program is mainly for the Anganwadi workers, the self-help group and the farm women. So during this program, we are going to emphasize on the nutrition burden and then on the Khali and on the importance of nutrition for the Anganwadi workers as well as for each and every.
Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Mentapat nginya pet shwaya ka jinglong jingman ka suin meneng ha Shillong. Ka jingshit kalong arpulai point R degree Celsius, bat ka jing kriat kalong khatnyo point khandai degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau kalong khandai pun riau na ka shispa ha kapor min step, bat prapupra na ka shispa ha kapor janmit. Ka jing hap slap mentakas ni kalong lipo point pra millimeter. Ka suin meneng kan dumlo ha Shillong bat kijaka ba marjan kan danru ka jing hap slap ba malumala. Aban penkut nginya phai biang sa shisien chekimat bakongsan. Kiu ki bakot na kajing pang COVID-19 siya ka nyopupra point riu saw na kashispa. Rakhe ka BJP jong ka jilla Meghalaya ya ka sngi kha ba nyopo jong mentri rang ba adu kari da ka ba penlong ya ki program ba pher. Badla sya iki school ban ya ka jing hikai na kabenta ki khana school ki ba puli ki class ki ba khandai hadu khatar na do arphuai tarik hadu laipo tarik mata ubnai la pentep umentri katanat puli puthi. Parlok kato ngila poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup khubor jingi menta ka janmiet hadu bang India syam biang bat phi la sya ka sngi khublei phi baro.